Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Hubble Baby Monitor step by step. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconnecting it to Wi-Fi, this guide will help you get it working in just a few minutes. First, plug in your Hubble Baby Monitor and make sure it's powered on. You should see a flashing LED light. That means it's ready to pair. Next, download and open the Hubble Club app on your smartphone or tablet. You can find it in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, create a Hubble account or log in if you already have one. Then tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Hubble Baby Monitor from the device list and follow the on-screen prompts. The app will guide you to connect your phone to the monitor's temporary Wi-Fi network. After that, choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list, enter your Wi-Fi password, and wait while the monitor connects. This may take a few seconds. When the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation message in the app, and your monitor's LED light will turn solid. Finally, you can name your camera, adjust settings, and start live streaming directly from the Hubble app. And that's it. Your Hubble Baby Monitor is now connected and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.